Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the symmetric difference in Python on sets. And basically what set symmetric difference is what objects are different in each set. All right. In the previous one, we took a look at, hey, here's our set. What is different from our first set to our second set? And we returned a different object in the first set, correct? Now we're going to look at what's the difference between all the sets, and we're going to return those objects, all right? So let's create two sets. A will represent the first set. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close out that set. Let's go ahead and do B is equal to another set, and we'll do 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. We got our two sets. Before we get started with the symmetric difference, let's go ahead and just take a look at physically, what can we see that's different? Well, we can just chop off a 4 and 4, all right, from A and B, because they're the same, all right? So we know they're not different. Now, in symmetric difference, we're going to return all the different objects compared between the two. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7 are all different, so we're going to go ahead and return them. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. We'll go ahead and do A dot symmetric difference, and make sure I spell it right the first time, and then we'll do difference. Now we pass which set we're going to compare A to. We're going to say B, all right, and close that out, hit return, and we get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, all right? So that's how we check the symmetric difference. Let's go ahead and create another set. We'll do C is equal to, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Close that set out. Now let's go ahead and compare A, B, and C to that. So we'll do A and then symmetric underscore difference. And we'll do B and C. And we're going to get an error. Symmetric difference takes exactly one argument, not two. All right, so we can only compare two sets at a time. All right. Now, we saw the symmetric difference method on sets. Now, we have a different operator we can use to test this, and this actually allows us to test two or more sets. All right, and that's the caret symbol. This little guy right here, that's how we test the symmetric difference between sets. So let's go ahead and just bring up our three sets again, A, B, and C. There you go. You got your three different sets. And let's go ahead and compare them. Let's do A and then the little caret symbol, and B. We got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. As we already looked at A and B, the only objects that are the same between the two sets are 4. So we go ahead and return the other objects that are not the same. That's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. All right, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and bring C into play and see what happens. Let's do A, caret, B, that's ampersand, caret, and C. There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So let's just take a look at what happened here. All right. So we compared A and B. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 6, and 7 returned to us. But then we compared C with that, and 7 is the same in C and B. So that was removed. And then we just added 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I hope you guys understand the difference between difference and symmetric difference, all right? So if you guys have any questions, leave your question below or on our website at mastercode.online, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a lovely day.